Hello and welcome to Avio's Journey. I'm going to be talking about today Academy Voices, the exciting new online casting website for voice actors that we've created and what to expect coming up. So I'm very excited about that. But first and foremost, welcome. And I am doing my first full-length video back from my hip surgery. So I want to thank everybody. Just so much support and love and best wishes. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. So I'm doing better. Fortunately, I've started to transition over to my cane, which is really cool. It's been, let's see, I had my surgery last Monday, not this past Monday, but the Monday before. So we're getting close to 2 weeks, and my legs getting stronger. Definitely sore, of course, post surgery. And like I said before, is about 4 to 6 weeks of recovery is what I've been told. But, every day now I'm getting a little bit better. I'm able to do a little bit more. So that's good. I do struggle sitting for any period of time, like, too long of a time. Up to like 30 minutes. It's after that I got to get up and move, which is pretty crazy because, for years I spent hours and hours and hours in this chair. So I guess, in that way it's a good thing too, because I need to get up and move around and stuff. So, but other than that, I'm doing better, very excited and optimistic about everything, with moving around and going outside. And, so I'm very excited about that in the spring and the summertime, because it's been a long time. It's been a long time since I've been able to just move around like a normal person, or a person without arthritis. It was rough, especially towards the end there. It got really bad. So anyways, I'm very excited, and I can completely tell that the arthritis is gone. You know what I mean? Of course, from the surgery, you can't, you have to recover from that, and your muscles get sore and your leg gets sore and swollen. I think that's a big thing, right? It's always icing it and keeping the swelling down. But other than that, doing my exercises, walking, doing, light squats and hip extensions and leg extensions and, hamstring stretches and all the kind of stuff that I'm doing is definitely helping. And it's funny because I'm doing more, like I said in my podcast, I'm doing more than I've done in over a year regularly. Before I had my surgery, I've done more in the last week and walked more and exercised my legs more. So that's a good thing. Very good thing. So I'm also excited about a variety of things. We had a wonderful St. Patrick's Day, and I still have the special up because I was out. And I'm keeping it up to the end of the weekend. So if you still want to head over and sign up for Avio's Journey Elite Academy with a special, you're more than welcome to. We're still running that until Sunday. I'll take that down. So if you'd like to get over there and try us out for $24, we'd love to have you. And what's really exciting, too, on top of all that, is Academy Voices. So, we have Avio's Journey Elite Academy, and that's where we train voice actors, help voice actors start and grow their voiceover business. But many people might not know we also have Academy Voices for the last year, which is an online casting website, and it's where we help our voice actors get business. Now, up until now, I've kept it just for people in the academy, but as we've grown, the challenge is, right, is we need more voice actors. We are starting to get clients worldwide, not just in the US. We have clients who want voice actors that speak different languages, different accents, all sorts of things. So we're going to be opening that up, but we're going to be redoing the website. And so that we can add, currently on Academy Voices, you don't have the ability to log in, even though there's a little login tab. You don't have the ability to log in, put any of your own information in. We don't have a job posting board yet on there. Everything's been done just completely manual. So we're gonna be fixing that and adding all that stuff, that functionality in there. So in the next couple of months, the website should be going live. It's live now, but it should be redone so that you can sign up and join. So I'm really excited about that. I think that it's going to be a small fee to join, but you don't have to be in the academy, and it will just be a yearly fee. So we're going to be completely transparent about everything, right? It's be a small fee to join, and then there'll be just we're going to take just a 20% commission. That's it. There's no hidden fees. There's nothing else. That's what that's what I believe in. Believe in all human all the time. This website's going to be all about us voice actors, not AI at all. We're going to be the opposite, right? We're going to be the answer to people who don't want AI, who want to work with people, right? Who want to talk to people, want to have that personal connection. That's going to be us. So that's what I'm excited about as well. So there's a lot of cool things coming up, and I wanted to just come on today and talk to you guys about that. Like I said, it'll be about 2 or 3 months. You'll be able to sign up. And and then you'll be able to get work a couple of different ways on the platform. One way is there'll be a job posting board where so you'll be able to go audition for jobs. Then there'll also be a way that because we'll do project management as well, so a client could come to us and say, hey, listen, we want you to help us cast this stuff and manage the project for us and send us the files, et cetera, et cetera. So you can get work booked that way. And then the third way, which I'm really excited about, is we are going to also be launching an app, all right, called Academy Voices Entertainment. If you guys know, we've been talking about Academy Voices Entertainment, which is our production wing, all right, of this 360 circle, if you will. And so that's going to be our app that publishes audio dramas, meditations, audiobooks, etc. And, so you'll be able to get hired to be on our app. All right, as well. So I'm very excited about that. Now, the app is probably, depending on the launch of the website, how it goes, the app might be a year out or so. But very excited about that. We've already started Academy Voices Entertainment, our YouTube channel, which has had incredible growth, right? If you've been following that. But I think I want to move it onto an app so that we have that ability. And then it'll be a small subscription for people to listen and enjoy the content, the entertainment that we create. So that'll be really exciting as well. So there's a lot of wonderful things going on. And of course, now if you're in the Academy, you don't have to pay to join, of course, the Academy Voices. But either way, it's a wonderful opportunity, and I'm very thrilled about it. And so I wanted to share that with you guys today and let you know what's going on. Hopefully, I'll be back even more next week. I was back this week, of course, but kind of on a limited basis, just because it's just, like I said, it's struggling. Like even now, it just hurts sitting in the chair. So you see me kind of like squirming. I'm like, but that's okay. So I'm just excited to be able to move around and stuff. And actually, it's been really cool not having my walker. I mean, well, I still use it now. I'm kind of the PT, my PT specialist, she's, told me kind of 50-50 at the moment, but now I'm switching a little bit more, and I've been able to walk down the end of my road. I've kind of got a long driveway, so I was able to walk down to my driveway and walk back, do stuff outside with my cane, so that's really nice. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Feel free to leave your comments. Check out academyvoices.com. You know what I mean? Again, we'll be opening enrollment probably in the next 2 or 3 months, maybe sooner, depending. But we'll see, depending on how long it takes to get the minimal viable product up and running, right? So, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Again, we've got till the end of the weekend to sign up for the $24 to try us out for the first month at Avio's Journey Elite Academy. And of course, if you're in the Academy, you get it's a great way to kind of keep getting updated as well as everything else, right, that you get for learning and growing your business and the support, but also getting updated on everything that's going on too, because that's where I hang out for most of my time. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, you have a wonderful Friday. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you again for all of your love and support. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye, everybody.